I'm dying.
All right, man. It's final round. You just saw what happened. Tyron just spit out last round. He even had to call water. So it's DJ versus Tyler Jacob. And instead of this hot sauce, it's this hot sauce. Dum dum dum. So I don't know if they gonna survive this. Hope I don't get arrested if they just just die. So we just gonna do this the right way. Gonna count it down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drink. Go. Yo, Tyler, drink it. Drink it. Yo, you a bitch. You might lose, son. You gonna lose if you don't drink it, son.
I'm gonna drink it.
Drink it.
It's nothing.
You stalling. You stalling. Yo, you are stalling.
You already know. Throw it back. Throw it back.
Throw it back.
Throw it back. You gotta give me pump. Give me pump.
Throw it back. Throw it back. Throw it back. Woo!
That's what you get. Oh, wrong too. You get that.
You spit?
I need one.
Ah, DJ!
Psych, I'm going another round.
Oh shit.
I'm going another round.
Oh shit, DJ. All right, round 2.